Hey everybody, Handyman, Handyman here, and my assistant Dustin over here. Well, hey guys, so we're here in beautiful Grand Junction, Colorado. It's getting to be that time of year, guys, where your old single pane windows, you know, it's coming up winter time, drafty, nasty. We're going to show you how to replace these right now. So we've already done a little pre-done. We're going to jump right in here and go to it. So we've already done a little pre-demolition here, got some of the external windows here off, took the screen off, things like that. So, but the basics for it, it all starts out the same. So first thing is, any windows you can lift out, like this. So it's straight up, lift up, pull it out, just like that. Any windows you can take out like that, go ahead, pull them out, get them out of the way. Get that over there out of the way. So now, this is a fixed glass piece now. Dustin's in there starting to pre-cut it, but they're all a little bit differently. Some of them have vinyl on the outside that holds it in. This one has the vinyl on the inside. But the technique is the same. Vinyl's on the outside, you're going to pop the vinyl on the outside off. And then you're going to cut the window, and we'll show you that here in a second. I'll let him go ahead and get that all done. I got my utility knife right here. Now remember guys, when dealing with glass here, like we are, safety glasses. And when we get ready to actually handle the glass, we got a pair of gloves. Another good thing to keep in mind, sometimes long sleeves are handy. We've been replacing windows over here yesterday, and we're doing this one for the video, but the very first window I did fell out and got me, broke. So you are going to break some panes of glass here, guys, when you're taking these out. We've only had one break. Luckily, we've gotten pretty good. We'll probably get this one out one piece too. But just plan on having one that's going to break. So maybe put a tarp down on the ground or somewhere else. That's the kids. So put a tarp down or something like that to catch some glass, because there's going to be some glass that falls. So he's getting that cut out here. And we went ahead and took the frame out. There's a frame on here too, right here, guys. It's screwed in for a secondary window, for like a storm window. We took that already out. So we just get down to the bare window here so we can show you how quick this comes out. It comes in on me, doesn't it? Yeah, it comes in towards you. Okay, you ready? Okay, so I'm going to get in here, and basically, if you can see, I'm moving it. There's some glue there. You got to get in behind there at some point. We got to find a weak spot. There we go. Oh, there it goes. We're in. Okay. So see the glass moving? They always glue the window in, guys. And there's a rule on the razor blade, guys. Don't cut towards you. Always try to cut away from it or stand to the side like that. So you can see I'm pulling that way. So if it slips out, it's just going to go that way. It's not going to get me. So just be careful when you're using a utility knife. Come right up here. There we go. Once it starts getting going, you want your gloves? Yes. There you go, before I get too far ahead. I got it. I think we got a storm blowing in. Okay. Careful. Okay. Just slow and easy, guys. Wins the race on this. As you can see, I think we got it. Can you lift up on it? Now we're going to run into these. Oh, can you lift up on it though? Hold it out. Get it? There we go. One piece. Like I said, on my handles without gloves. I didn't bring my gloves, so I'm going to be very careful. Excuse me. I'm going to walk inside here and get out of the way. Hammer. Yeah, any hammer. That'll work. Now, fall apart. Watch yourself. Yep. So we're just breaking that out, guys. If you need, you can cut out with a saw, something of that nature. We've already taken the old window seal out right here, guys. So we're probably on the old framing, so it's not a problem. So we're just trying to get pulled loose. walls off.
Oh, last time I was able to bend.
We'll cut that right here.
That's
Hold up. You do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Put his muscles through, guys. Let's see what he's got.
He's an old army man.
Oh, look at that. Rub that piece loose. Okay. So this window was new construction. It was installed. You see the little flange here? They put nails in it. And so we were able just to get underneath there and pry it loose and pry it right out like she was doing. Tell Dustin's done a few of these already.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Alright. There's that one. Now for the top one. Now we gotta be a little more careful here. There's like zero here. There's the old out. By that old window. It won't be missed. Dust this off a little bit. Like the proper tool, sir. Yeah. Paint it in.
So what are you doing right now? Just making sure all the nails are in?
Yeah, just making sure there's no obstacles in the way. We're cleaning everything up. Getting it all ready. So we already measured these before, as you can guess. So we ordered the windows up because they had to be ordered. But yeah, let me see. Where's the tape measure? You have yours on you? Start by one down. Okay. Looks like we didn't bring a tape measure down. Our bad. Anyhow, so when you're looking at the window here, I'm going to show you on this part right here. Let me grab the other piece here. So this was the exterior edge of the window. So if you're ordering a replacement window, that's the edge you want to measure from right there, guys. So this would be the outside edge. This is where this was hidden by the brick.
So where do you want to measure?
So the brick was right up to here, and that's where you want to measure right on that lip right there.
Okay.
So we measured that. I think this one was 6 foot.
This is the new one.
Yep, this is the new one. And it was 48. So we ordered it a ½ inch smaller. So it's 6 foot is whatever. It's ½ inch shorter.
Why would you measure it a ½ inch shorter? Or
to
order
give you
it a
some
½ inch
wiggle
shorter?
room when you put it in.
Okay.
I ordered it. It's still tight though, and I want it that way simply because we're butting up against the brick here, and you can see there's the finished one we did right there. And so we got a nice tight joint up against the bricks, so we can caulk it, seal it. That's where we want it. And so we made sure we got nice and tight. If you have just like wood siding, you can order 3/4 of an inch smaller and then use some wood siding to hide the gap. Gives you a little playroom that way. So I ordered it up tighter, so it's 47.5.
So against brick, you want a ½ of an inch? Is that what you said?
Well, I went ½ an inch short still, but it's going to fit in nice and tight. Still. So 47.5 plus. Yeah. So we're tight right here too. Even though that was a 48-inch window.
Yeah, we're tired. Yeah.
This would be a nice little wall. Okay, we'll trim that off right there. We're going to do some trimming.
Okay.
Which I kind of knew would. That's okay. I had to do all a little bit. Off by that much. So that's no biggie. I got the tool right there. 6 inches.
So you guys feel free to share.
Yeah.
huge difference in energy efficiency.
It will. Yeah, so last year we actually did all the front windows on this house.
And she loves them.
She loves them. So this year we're coming back and doing all the back windows. While he's doing that, I should tell you, too close. Let me back up to him, sorry. While he's doing that, if you like this video, feel free to share it. You'll also be able to find it later on our webpage, windowinstallation.com, under the how-to. Yep, under the how-to heading. And you'll also be able to go to Pinterest, guys, and see pics of things that we like and things we've done. And let's see what else. Instagram, we're on Instagram now too. So check us out there. Follow us on Instagram. And Facebook, of course. You're on Facebook already, but follow us. Please follow us on Facebook and feel free to share it with friends who like to follow us as well. We appreciate that all the time. So we're going to watch him get this done here.
There's a ton of how-to videos on the website.
Yeah, we're posting more how-to videos every week on the how-to part of the website. So.
And the tool videos will be there as well.
Yep. And we're doing a blog on there too as well. So what, every week or so? Every 2 weeks?
Every week.
Every week we're posting a new blog on there. What do they call it?
Yesterday's was about toilets.
Yeah, yesterday's was all about toilets. So yeah, and then we did a little video on that too. It's on Facebook as well right now. So check that out. And let's see, what else have we done? Let's see. We did a how-to video on cabinet knobs.
Cabinet
How to do
pulls.
pulls and knobs in the kitchen and your bathroom. Did that. Check that out.
There's a few on there now.
There's starting to be quite a few, so we're slowly building up a library. So feel free to check us out. Yep.
There will be a library in the next few months of how-to videos.
Yep.
And we'll just keep that again. We'll soon have a YouTube channel if you want to check us out on YouTube.
When's that coming? A couple months? A few months out?
No, probably like another couple weeks.
A couple weeks, really? Wow, a couple weeks, guys. We're moving fast. Can't keep up with all this new stuff.
Okay, so Dustin's over there.
It's been around forever. I can't keep up.
He's cutting it a little trim off.
Yeah, he's trimming up a little bit so we can get in here. Like I said, we made this window fit nice and tight, so. Yeah.
You want them to fit nice and tight. You don't want the wind going.
Yeah. Well, I did it on purpose because of the brick and stuff like that, so I wanted to get a nice clean look. If I didn't want to work quite as hard this way, I could have made it a little shorter that way and put a trim board across the top and bottom. But I like the look that we got right there. A nice clean look. Flush now. I like that look. And on this house, the way it was done originally, so I can keep it up as far. This house, this was built by a builder actually back in the day. And the kitchen in this house, back in the day, was featured in Better Homes and Gardens.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, is that not kind of cool or what?
That's cool.
Yeah, so she has the article on it somewhere. I can't remember where she's got it tucked away. So
Neat.
yeah, that's kind of neat.
What year was that? Do you know?
What?
What year was it? Do you know?
I think it was 70s, somewhere in the 70s. I can't remember when though. Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah. So I mean, the subdivision is named after the guy. Ferber. Yeah, Ferber. Yep. Yeah, it's named after him. So that's the guy. This is his house. This is where he parked all his equipment back here in the backyard. Yeah. So, but yeah, that's a pretty interesting little history factor about this house. So I find that really cool. Yeah.
So we're changing out Ferber's windows.
Yeah, these are the original windows from the 70s. Yeah. Hey, he liked the improvement. We're getting better.
Okay, Dustin's almost
Did he
done.
step back? Let's take a step back here. Back here. Oh, there's a face in the window. But that window right there, if you see that one right there. See? Oh, maybe. That window actually used to be a lot bigger. It used to go almost all the way to the floor.
Huh.
And so there was no place to put a couch, really. So he took that out and put a nice picture frame window that matches the other ones that are 4x8s. Okay. So, yeah, they still get the view, but they have a nice place to sit their couch.
These fruit trees are nice.
Oh, yeah, they're coming along. Let's go back in here. It's going to take a minute here, guys. So sit back, relax, go get a Coke right now if you want one, then come back.
So what's Dustin doing? He's just trimming.
He's just trimming, so some of the siding sits down a little lower in the back than the front opening part of it, so we gotta trim it off so we'll be able to pop the window in there. That's all. And I gotta trim a little bit myself here. So I gotta get rid of this little weld joint here just a little bit.
Will it catch?
Yeah, it's catching, so we figured out we gotta get rid of these just a little bit.
I don't want them to get splinters in their eyes.
Yeah, where are they?
They went over there by Dustin.
In that box. Hey guys. Hey guys.
Don't get splinters. You're gonna get splinters in your eyes. Jenny's on here. Say hi, Jenny.
Hey. She's watching us through a window in.
Where are they?
Right here.
Joey, you need to be all the way on the other side of this fence.
Alright. Okay.
Hey,
It's like,
all the way over here. Did you hear what I said? Joey did. I said on the other side of the fence.
the little kids have been watching us put these windows in all day.
They're having fun.
They're curious.
They're loving it. They're very curious. They ask a lot of questions.
Jeff's here.
The little one right around here, I can't remember which one it is. Yesterday we went putting these in, he comes and goes, he's like, what's that? What's that? He's asking questions, he goes, when I grow up, can I work with you? So I got a future employee right there, guys.
Okay. Screws?
What?
Finish screws.
Oh, yep, we gotta get some screws first.
Okay.
Oh, I got 3 right here. I need a handful more. Here, let me grab some more. Sorry, I wasn't quite prepared, guys. That's our bad.
Okay, so the window is open.
Mm-hmm.
We have trimmed the corners.
Yeah, I trimmed that corner
Is
off.
it all 4 corners that you need to trim?
No,
Or
it was just the
two?
top corner that's bugging us. So,
Okay.
yeah. Now, the thing with sitting in a replacement window like what we're doing here is when you're putting it in, you're going up like this. If we could just slide it straight in like that, if we could get a hold of it enough to slide in, it slides straight in. But when we go up like that, it makes it taller, so it hits. So we have to get it to slide in. So it's a little bit of
Gotcha.
work. It's a nice tight fit when we're done. That's what I want. So I don't have to worry.
Yeah, you don't want wind blowing through.
Yeah, so why he's getting more screws. Let's see where it went. Here it is. Okay. So they provide these nice little caps for you guys here to install the window with to cover the screws with. You can see. Just a little plastic cap they provide for you. So I have my drill bit here. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill the holes for those while we're waiting. So on the inside of the window. So this is double wall. There's an outer and there's an inner wall. We just want to drill through the inner. Hold on, bit's sticking. Now, if I can see what I'm doing here. There we go, just like that. So you see that hole? Yep. Can you see it? Yep. And that cap will snap right into that. Leave a little bit of.
See, no hole on the outside, just the
Yep.
inner.
Yep, just the center. See that cap will snap in there when we're done, just like that. Just to hide it. I didn't really snap it in there,
Okay.
but. So, okay. Alright, well there's one. So we'll go ahead and put this window in place though. So.
You usually want to do that after it's already in.
Yeah, typically. I just want to show you guys. So we'll do it the rest afterwards. Okay, ready? said, it's a nice tight fit. Very much so. Hold on 1 second. I gotta find the board.
So Dustin, tell them about you.
Let's see, I'm 33 years old. Got a girlfriend. Been dating for about 2 years. She's got 2 kids from a previous marriage. We bought a house together in February. Life's been really good. Very good.
He was in the Army.
Was in the Army for 7 years,
Joined
active
it.
Army. Was stationed out Fort Hood, Texas. Had 2 deployments underneath my belt, one in Kuwait, Iraq, and one in Afghanistan. But
Okay,
yeah.
go ahead.
Didn't want to interrupt. Okay, you have to get the hammer. I got it. This one might be a little too tight. This frame seems a little smaller. Got that? Thank you. There it goes.
There you go, then. You don't want to hammer directly onto the window
No, you don't want to do that.
frame.
That's what we make the board for. It's a little cushion. Yep. Okay. Here. Like I said, because it's going in there at an angle like it is, it makes it hard.
That side should be a little bit easier than this side.
Should be.
Should be.
It doesn't mean anything.
According to the tape measure, it is.
Yeah. Well, like we said,
I got the wood.
flip it over. Flip it over. There's a nail on that one. No. This way. There you go. Thank you. Yep. Okay, here we go. Right here.
There it goes.
There it goes. Okay, over here.
These windows are not coming out.
No. Now they're still up nice and tight. You won't have any issues with them.
You won't hear the wind blowing through like some houses.
Yeah, that's what we want.
I hate that. When you're in a house and the wind is blowing and you can hear it coming through the window.
Only hammer we have over there.
Yeah, it is. This one's way tighter than the other ones were.
Of course it is.
Of course it is. We're making a video.
Couldn't be easy.
No, this would have to be the most difficult one. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
that corner is in.
there we go. That side's in.
Now for the middle.
I hate hitting it hard, but there we go.
And I'm always afraid we're gonna hit the glass.
Don't miss.
Yeah, there's a good tip. Don't miss.
miss. Yeah. That one does not seem like it wants to go at all. said this is gonna be the easy side.
That's right. According to tape measure, this
It's
is going to be a
good.
difficult side. That was going to be a hard side.
So I think we're gonna have to take it out. Trim it. I'm gonna go inside and check this out, guys. I don't like that. This big board here. We're taking it back out. It's too tight.
Handyman does not like it. It's too tight, so coming back out.
Board.
Trim some more and then put it back in.
This is actually the first one we've had to take back out.
Well, it's showing the homeowners what happens.
Yeah.
So, if your window's too tight, take it back out, trim it some more.
Got her?
You want it in good and solid, but not too tight. If it's too tight, the window will be hard to open.
Siding stuff.
There's a
Oh,
nail
we-
right there.
Might come around.
There's a nail right there. You'll have to.
Is there nails on the
Yeah.
bottom?
It's on the siding.
It's not
Okay,
supposed to be this
so-
difficult.
Yeah. If it is this tight, the window will have a hard time shutting,
Mm-hmm.
and this
Yeah.
it'll be really hard to get in and out of it. You don't want it that tight. So
Yeah.
we're taking it out for
Yeah.
the first
We're gonna
time
trim it up a little
and
bit.
trimming it up a little.
Yeah. Surprisingly, this one was a lot tighter than all the other ones.
Yeah.
So,
This tells you though that Mighty Man will not do crappy work.
Yeah. okay.
He'll take it out and do it right the second
Ready?
time.
Set it. There we go. Okay. Walk this over here that way. Okay.
Okay, so trimming some more.
Yeah. You can see where it's hitting right here. Yeah, that side was nice and good. Yeah. This side was really bad. It's still that 2x4 right there. Let's get rid of some of that. Let's cut some of this off too. Let's just trim some of this back here. It was tight in the middle too, so we just need to take a little bit off the whole wing. What screws off?
Yeah, I don't know what's going to be fast. You know, it's gone.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get started if you want.
Here you go. This one's sharp. Place. Yes, sir. Okay. It's windy out here today.
It is windy. I'm holding the window just in case.
So the last one, it's on the ground level. The easiest one to get to.
Of course, it's the hardest one to put
It's
in.
the hardest one, yeah.
That's okay though, because it's showing the homeowners what can
They're
happen.
not always the same. Not every window's the same. I have the chisel down here. That's weird, too. I have the chisel down here.
Say hi to Connie and Lindsay.
About to get 5 minutes. Hey! Who is it? Connie and
Lindsay?
Cynthia? Okay, we'll go with that.
And Jenny.
If we're saying it wrong, I'm sorry. And Jenny's on there. So yeah. Well, once we get it cut, we get it fit in there. We'll put screws on the
Okay,
side.
so when they're measuring the windows to buy windows, how do they do that?
So, okay, let's go over here. Tape measure. And I'll show you on this one. So, obviously the frame is ending here and here. So we're gonna, if you're gonna do a remodel like this, which is, this has no nail flange, as you see on it. So that one is new construction, has a nail flange on it. If you can get your trim off and get the old nail flange and pop out that way, you can put another new nail flange window back here. If not, this is the way to go. With a remodel window, basically. But if you look, usually the outside edge, like here, to here, is your actual size of your window. So if you measure that, 47.5 inches is what I got. So that would be the actual size of the window. Now, if you go into Lowe's or Home Depot, you know, stores like that, you know, I want to work some windows. This is the actual size of my windows. That's what they're going to send you. If you go in there and go, here's my rough opening. Now the rough opening is that right there, what we have right now. If you measure that side to side, and you say my rough opening is this, they're going to send you a window that is half an inch shorter than that rough opening. That's how they calculate it. So if you have, like these are 6 foot, so if you walk in there and say I have 72 inches, guys, rough opening, they're going to send you 71.5 inches. Okay, makes sense? So if you want your window to actually be 72 inches, you gotta say my actual size will be 72 inches. Make sense? Mm-hmm. So now, if you want to measure on the inside, that's great too. You can measure on the inside. Just remember, this has sheetrock on both sides. That's half-inch sheetrock. So you have to subtract or add that to your measurement. So you can measure between the sheetrock. And if you know you have half-inch, you add half an inch and a half inch. That's an extra inch to get your total measurement. So, and then up and down, same way. This one has tile on it, so that's only like a 1/4 inch. So, you need to know your thicknesses of your material inside, your trimming inside, from the inside. So, I like to come around the outside.
So it's easier to do it from the outside.
It is. So
you do length and then...
You do length and height.
Okay.
And let me see how they do it. Well, actually,
Or
yeah.
length and width?
Yeah, they do width, and then they do height at level.
Okay.
So, width.
So where are you measuring on width on the outside?
So I'm measuring on this one. I measured between the brick on what I originally started to do. I'll flip around so you can see me down here. This is. So I measured from brick to brick, and I have right at 6 foot. And so I went in there. I said, okay, my rough opening is 6 foot. So in actual size, I want 71.5 inches, and that's what I want. And that's what I got on these, 71.5 inches.
Okay.
So that gives me about a 1/4 inch play on each side, you know. And then all in all, these ones I ordered 47.5 inches, and all of them that we put in so far, we had some play, and then we get to this one.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. So yeah, all the other ones was once we got it to pop in, we were able to push most of them back in with our hands and just lightly tap it with the hammer and sit it. And we were done. This one is way off. It actually seems to be right at 47.5 inches actually on the rough opening. Let me see what we got here. Yeah, 47.5 inches. You're good at the center, right?
So this window was built a little smaller than the other ones?
No,
probably.
we need to trim a little bit off there too. Off the center? Yep, off the center too. Yep, so yeah, this one seems to be a little bit on the smaller side for some reason. Yeah, that would
They
fit.
got tired.
I got tired, yeah. You gotta train them when the guys installing the windows.
This is going to be one of the longer how-to videos that we have.
Yeah, this one's gonna be way long.
We're sorry.
Yeah. That's alright. You guys see every window doesn't fit perfect every time. Sometimes
It's like a Pinterest fail.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 windows.
windows.
Not one problem.
Not one problem. Now
Until we get to the 12th one.
Until we get to number 12. Yeah. Yep. And we do a video.
Uh-huh.
That's
It's
why.
the video.
It's the video's fault.
It's cursed.
Uh-huh. Yeah. That's alright. If it was recording, we could use the magic of editing.
Yeah, but we're not. We're doing it
Yeah.
live.
We're doing it live.
You never know what's going to happen.
This is the what's the word I'm looking for? Surprise? I don't know.
Yeah.
Try it again.
Okay,
Surprise in every Facebook.
we're going to try it again.
Okay. One more time. Where'd that tell you like that? Let's see if we got this shit right here. Oh, just in case. I don't think it's causing a problem. Alright. There we go.
Okay.
Got it.
Is there any more?
Whoops, that was me.
Now I need to stick there. Get there.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna give it a try.
here we go again. Dustin's a
Hopefully second time
perfectionist.
is the final choice. Yeah.
Trimming is fun.
Okay.
Time for precision.
No, get it right the first time. And then you don't have to worry about it ever again.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. Go again. What did I do with the...
Piece of wood that's right there. Touch your feet.
Things are going a lot easier.
Down here?
Hi, Megan.
Hey, Megan.
Are you learning this, Megan, for your new house?
There's pretty nice windows in it already, doesn't it?
I think it did.
Yeah.
Megan's house is nice. She just bought a house in Utah. She's changing out her banisters, stair rail stuff, and taking down a wall.
Hold it. Got it.
It's 2 o'clock.
Yep.
That side's in almost.
Sorry.
There goes the middle. And there's the center. And the left side.
Sorry, sir.
good. Ooh, that was close.
That was close. Alrighty. Next thing I gotta do is this phone off. Okay. Alright, now we got our screws here. Get my screw gun. My drill. Fun final run here, guys.
It's the final countdown.
Yep.
He's going inside.
Now guys, we are lucky enough that we're just going up against the trim work in here. If you look right in here, you can see the trim work that's in here, right here. So we're just pulling it up tight against that and calling it good. If you were sitting in a window that didn't have the trim work or anything like that, you want to put a level on it right now to make sure you're level this direction. If you have more space
Which
in between,
direction?
this way,
Okay.
in and out, I guess you say,
Okay.
at the bottom or top. If you had more space around and you were using shims, you want to make sure it's level this direction, which will also do your up and down as well. So your bottom run or your side run, one of those two is level. You'll be good across one or the other. So you'd want to do that. Since we're doing it this way, the main thing I want to check out right now is I just want to make sure my window slides nice and easy. Okay. We'll take care of that in a second here. But it's sliding nice and easy, so that's good. That's what we want. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. Got my screws. I'm going to go ahead and sit my first screw here. I'll push that in. Got my pilot hole I drilled through here, guys. So.
Is that through the hole you drilled earlier?
Yeah.
No?
Alright, just like that.
That's not that big hole though, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
Can you see it?
And you see it?
You
There
can see
you
the
go.
screw up in there too, probably now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do two more on this. Just like that.
Just through the inside, not the outside.
Yep. That's kind of popping that. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead. Okay. Are you sure? Sorry. Down here. Looks good there. There we go. Just like that. And where's the button? I mean, the buttons, sir. Where are the buttons?
You can see this one.
They're right up there. So see, we're just gonna go like this. Maybe.
Button man is slow over here.
Yeah. Let me show you a trick for doing these little Ziploc baggies, guys. When they're zipped like that, you just take your thumb and your finger and you just pull them apart. Just like that.
That's how I open them.
Yeah, Dustin just flips them. Okay, there's your little plug.
So now we're going to go ahead and repeat this on the other side. And then we're going to do one right up here in the top, so because it can pop out, you know, if you don't. And we'll do one at the bottom as well. And then we're good. This window will be solid. Then we're going to go ahead. Everything's falling over in the wind. We're going to go ahead and caulk it down here at the bottom. Up here at the top. Of course, down over here. We're going to do the same on the inside. All the way around here. And then, of course, this house had ancient tile. It had tile for seal plate, so we're going to go ahead and make sure we glue glue that back down like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to be done. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this project up. You can watch this video, of course, on mightymanhandyman.com.
Under the how-to tab.
Under the how-to tab, under how the longest video runs. And we'll go from there. Hey, all right. We'll see y'all later. Have a great day. Talk to you there. Bye.
See you guys.